Operations and Automation hub, powered by International Marketing Consulting, was built on a simple idea. Businesses don't need more tools. They need clarity on how to use the ones they already have. Led by Alberto Tuani, a chartered marketer with 16 years of professional experience across CRM, digital marketing, sales, lead generation and demand generation. Alberto is a certified HubSpot champion user, HubSpot affiliate, and HubSpot Unbound insider. In February 2026, IMC launched the CRM Operations and Automation video series, built to help businesses get more from their CRM and their digital transformation projects. Between February and June 2026 alone, the series generated over 3.7 million video views. That growth has built an online community of over 28.4 thousand people across LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. Businesses turning to IMC for useful insights around CRM and marketing. To support that community further, IMC built the Resources Hub, a single home for SaaS tools, guides, calculators, and templates, organized around what businesses actually need: CRM optimization, digital marketing, automation. And for businesses ready to go further, IMC connects them with a network of vetted and certified CRM experts ready to deliver. IMC's mission: to be the place businesses come to find useful insights, the right support, and the right tools to optimize their operations and accelerate their digital transformation. To find out more, visit www.imarketing-consulting.eu to start your CRM and marketing journey.